Uh-oh.
One tap, and I own every fry on Earth.
Nothing like unlimited McDonald's to start the weekend.
Peppa! You bought infinite McDonald's with my card? The bank called me screaming! You're grounded in
Bucks, though. Yeesh. Time for some next-gen fun. Nobody's watching. Perfect. In you go, babies. Uh-oh. Keep running, keep running.
Jennifer Pig!
Hi, Mom.
Don't hi, Mom me! Walmart just called! You tried to sneak out with 2 Switch 2s!
I just wanted to play.
Mom, can we please get these DVDs? Kaylu gets grounded and Jennifer Pig gets grounded. They're so funny.
We came for Rummy Cub, remember? Not to buy silly DVDs, but Rummy Cub or not.
Mom, can we please get these Squishmallows? Look how soft.
We came for Rummy Cub, remember? Not stuffed animals.
But...
Rummy Cub or nothing.
Hey, did you two gain some weight all of a sudden?
Do you have something under your shirt?
Yeah.
I'm gonna commit a crime.
All in! That was the brand new iPhone 887 Galaxy Max Ultra Deluxe.
Nice.
Quintillion dollars! You flushed it! Do you realize you just...
One tap, and I own every toy in existence.
Nothing like unlimited toys to start the weekend.
Infinite toys were stuck with my card? The bank called me screaming!
A whole city.
10 to the $303rd dollars? Jennifer, I'm on my way! You bought an entire city with my card? You're grounded for absolute infinity years!
One tap, and the world gets brighter. Nothing like infinite sparkle to set the
Pepper,
mood.
you bought unlimited lights with my card? The power company just called in a...
Perfect. Cruise money diverted.
That'll be $875 even.
Charge it. Approved.
Here's your receipt and bag. Enjoy.
Oh, I absolutely will.
Jennifer?
Hey, Mom, check out my new setup.
Oh my gosh, the bananas! How dare you spend $875?
Oh no, an F-. Mum's going to go absolutely bananas.
Jennifer Pig